to Doña, you know, and shoot off a few cars and put on a few other cars, you know, and they just back up and pull out, back up and pull out, you know.
Yeah.
Guess you've seen it before, eh?
Well, not too much. No, I haven't seen much. Like, how long ago did you start jumping trains? You didn't know so much about them.
When I was 7 years old.
7? You jumped a train?
Yeah.
How? With your father or something?
No, by myself.
This is an old one, eh?
Oh, they're all like this.
Yeah? Beat up like this?
Oh, yeah, sure. Is there any trains going east?
Eh?
Is there any trains going east?
East?
Yeah.
You mean west?
I mean west, yeah, right, west.
I don't know. If you get some, they won't be here.
Yeah?
Where would they be?
They're gonna be
On the track over there, I know, but are there any leaving?
oh, I don't know. I don't know about because we never know what time they leave.
Oh, you don't know?
It's our extra, you know, so we never know what time they call for. But maybe before dinner, maybe gonna leave one. I don't know what time.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Just wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it would cost about $1 million for a car.
How much?
$1 million.
For one car?
No, it wouldn't cost that much. It cost you a few thousand at least. So many people lose their legs, eh? Look, the train is going that way, right? No, this way going down that way.
Right.
Look, right off the train. Right now, man, lose my legs. Will I touch the wheel?
No, not. It's going the other way, right.
I can't touch the wheel. Most people, you know, come they lose their legs if the train's going that way. They usually hop here, and they fling underneath, and they lose their legs. It's as easy as that.
You trying to hop this one?
Get the one down that way. I don't like the one.
Can I get this one? What?
They're no good. We're getting in the flat.
Okay, listen, you might have to hop on first and let me throw you my gear, right?
Yeah,
And then I'll hop on.
We're gonna walk back a bit.
What?
We're gonna walk back a bit.
This one?
Here.
I gotta have somewhere to put my feet.
Okay, climb up fast.
All right.
Fast, man. There's a station right here.
You got my camera? Oh, I got it. Can you come up a bit?
I'm up. Okay, let me climb
Okay, you
up.
hop in, I'll hold the stuff. Quick. Can you grab that? Just no, I want the camera. You grab that, please.
I got the camera.
I want to hold it, I want to hold it.
This.
Huh? Far out. What?
I was in a car, I guess you're gonna hear noise.
Now about 20 miles outside of Montreal, and we're heading west. We're not really sure where we're going.
coming in the train yard.
Is that good?
This is where we got off the last night.
Yeah.
No. I want you to hand me the joke and get on that train there.
All right. Cool. Here, hold it. Here. Okay, take it, sir. You got it?
I got it. Come on. I'm going to hand you the fast.
Wait, I haven't got the camera. Okay, I got it. Yeah.
I'm going to go in the other car and get off. Move aside.
Okay. Point it up at me when you get it, okay? Oh, wow, that was fantastic.
Hey, look, they did stop. Yeah, but we would have been way up there where the station is right now. That's what's good about it. I told you, it's good to be at the end, eh?
Yeah.
Main line.
Right, it's much better.
But if you're by yourself and you got nothing, if you have this, it's good to be at the end. But if you're by yourself, you know, and a little pack sack where you can throw out the window or the door, you know, just get in the engine. It's the best place. But this, no way. That was really good, eh?
Yeah. Can we come in and look at your place? Caboose now. We were out taking pictures of trains.
Yeah.
We were out taking pictures of trains.
Are you?
Wow, this is beautiful.
How far is this train going?
Smith Falls.
How far is that?
Well, it's 119 from Montreal. It'd make
how
from
far
here
are you?
about 90.
90 miles. Wow.
You from the city?
Yeah.
Well, you want to go in there and get some pictures of train.
In the city?
Oh yeah, in around the yard there.
Which one? Which yours?
Well, CP there at, you know where Hampstead is?
Yeah, I know where Hampstead is.
Well, they're right down there. Right down from Montreal West, right straight across there off, between Côte de Liesse and Decoré. I got a daughter going to the University of British Columbia.
Yeah.
We'll be up there next year, I hope. See her graduate.
Cooking and everything.
Oh, they got everything in these things.
Yeah?
Sure.
So you're going to stay until he starts to move because you'll get a jerk here and maybe knock you over.
Yeah. Then we'll run and jump off when he starts to move?
Well, he won't be going that fast.
Yeah.
I think he's gonna move now because he just blew his horn, you know.
Ah, these lanterns, eh?
Little yellow lamps, yeah.
Beautiful.
No electric lights.
Do you sleep in this ever?
In Montreal, yeah.
Oh, you stay in this all the time just about you live
In
in this?
Montreal.
Yes, is your home in Montreal?
No, Smith Falls. But
I mean, when you're in
down here
Montreal.
we live in the caboose.
Yeah?
How long does it take you to get to Smith Falls?
Oh, we should go up there in 2 hours.
Do you ever get bored riding on the train? Can you jump off now?
Sometimes, yeah, you better.
I see you, sir.
Okay, thanks a lot. Yeah, I really appreciate it. It's nice.
Yeah. Well, you went around the terminal, you'll get lots of pictures, you know.
Yeah.
You'll see the train going in and out. Don't get off that way now, you're getting off back.
How should you get off?
Step off. Face the other way.
Face this way?
Yeah, now get off.
All right. Okay. Yeah, thanks a lot.